What are the name of the worker? The name of the worker is called as X, Y as well as Z. 26 into 25, it is 650, and plus 50, he will be given how much? He will be given 700. 24 multiplied with 25. So how much it is? 6 divided by 30. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 11 of your topic called accounting. Under accounting, we are doing the topic called labor. We are still in chapter number 4, remember. So under chapter number 4, the topic we have taken labor. Now, in the previous session, we discussed about what is labor, what is timekeeping, what is time booking, what is idle time, what is your overtime, as well as the types of wage system like your time base or piece rate, or else we can go for bonus system. Under bonus, again we have understood wholesale plan as well as row 1 plan. Now, in today's session, we will understand about what is wholesale plan and what is row 1 plan. Now, so in the wholesale as well as row 1, we remember the formula. Wholesale plan, we have a separate formula, as well as row 1 plan, we have separate formula. We'll go for that. What is the agenda for the day? The agenda for the day is very simple. First thing, we will understand the concept, and later we will go for problems. Now, under concept, what you will understand? Concept already you have understood, but while doing problems, small thing I need to explain you. Those things you will understand while doing problems. And we will work out 1 or 2 small problems so that you will understand better. The first one, your problem number 1. Under problem number 1, from the following information, calculate the earnings per hour under wholesale plan and under row 1 plan. Now, as per this, not only the wholesale plan, along with that you are supposed to find out row 1. Wholesale is different, row 1 is different. So that we are doing 2 problems separately. Now, in this, if it is a 10-mark question in your examination, you can expect wholesale as well as row 1. Now, under this, you have name of the worker and time taken. What are the name of the worker? The name of the worker is called as X, Y as well as Z. X, Y and Z. Now, under name of the worker, we have time taken also. X has completed the particular task in 26 hours. Y has taken around 24 hours and Z has taken 20 hours to complete that particular task. Now, standard time allowed for the job is 30 hours. Normally in the common this thing, so this particular job can be completed in 30 hours. So they have given a standard like your examination for 80 marks. How many hours they will give? They will give you 3 hours. It is not compulsory that you should take 3 hours. You can take lesser than 3 hours, but you cannot exceed. But in this, they can exceed. They have given 30 hours as a standard. If they exceed 30 hours, they will not be given any benefit or incentive. If they have completed lesser than 3 hours, they will be provided with some benefits. Now, as per this, name of the worker X, Y, Z, these are the hours they have taken. Standard time allowed for the job is 30 hours. Now, what is the hourly rate? Every hour you work, you will be paid how much? 25 rupees. Now, as per this, he has completed 26 means if you minus from 30, he has saved 4 hours. He will be benefited for the 4 hours what he has saved. Similarly, out of 30, he has taken 24, almost 6 hours he has saved. He will be paid for that 6 hours. Then, Out of 30, he has worked for 20. So almost he has saved how many hours? He has saved almost 10 hours. So these are the informations which are available and we are supposed to do Hall say as well as row 1. We'll go for the problem. First one will go for Hall say plan. Here there is nothing much concept in this. Only the formula. For formula you have to simplify with the numbers. Now whatever I have written on the right side are working note. Whatever is there in the debit side is your answer. So your left side, whatever we have, those are answers, and whatever we have on the right side, we have those are working notes. Now, as per this, you have earnings. Under earnings, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. You know the formula. Why? Because in the previous session, we discussed about this formula. Now, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Now, as per this, x is equal to, like, x is whom? He is a first person. Like x, we are talking about x. So, we have to do Hall say plan for x separately, y separately, as well as z separately. Now, so x has taken 26 hours. Almost he has saved how many hours? He has saved 4 hours. So what is the rate per hour? Rate per hour is 25. It is around how much? X is equal to time taken 26, hourly rate 25. 26 and 25. Time saved and hourly rate. What is the time saved? Out of 30, he completed in 26 means he has saved 4 hours. For 4 hours, he will be given 25 rupees per hour. Now, 4 into 2500, half. Half of that how much? 50. So, 26 into 25, it is 650. And plus 50, he will be given how much? He will be given 700. Hope you understood. This is all about your Hall say plan. Now, we'll go for the y, the second person. Now, as per this, time taken into hourly rate, it is easy. Your time saved is 60. How come time saved 60? See, out of 30, 24 minus means it will be 6. So you have saved 6 multiplied with 25. This will be 150. Now, 150 half is almost 75. 75 plus 600, your answer is 675. And the last person, he has saved 10 hours. How come 10 hours? He completed in 20 hours. Actual given was 30. The answer will be 10. So he has saved 10 hours into 25. It will be 250. Half of the 250 how much? 125. 125 we are supposed to take. 500 plus 125, we will get around 625. Hope you understood. So this is all about your calculations. Now, how much we got? We got around 625. Now, we're done with this. Now, we are supposed to do working note. Now, but the working note already I have done here. But in your examination, normal working note will not fetch you marks. The presentation matters. How do you present the answer? That is important. Like, these are the information you have extracted from the question paper. Like, time taken, x is 26, y 24, z is 20 hours. Now, standard time has given 30 and hourly rate has given 25. These are the informations. Now, time saved is equal to standard time minus time taken. What is the standard time? The standard time is 30. Time taken is 26. 30 minus 26. How much? 4. 30 minus 24, 6. 30 minus 20 is 10. Same thing we have done here. But this is not the proper way. Just you make you to understand. I have done this. But in your examination, you are supposed to do like this. So this is all about your working note. Now, we are done with this. Now, so these are the answers as per the wholesale plan. What will be your answer? For X, it will be 700. For Y, it will be 675. For Z, it will be 625. These are the answers we have. Now, these are the hourly rate, but these are the earnings, but per hour how much they are earning. These are the total earning. Per day they will get 700, per day 675, per day 625. These are the income per day. We don't want per day, we want per hour. How to calculate? Very simple. Now, he is taking 700 rupees. How many hours he has worked? 26. See, you will get X 26 hours, Y 24, Z 20. 700 divided by 26. 675 divided by 24. Your 625 divided by 20. If you do this kind of calculation, you will get your answer. I'll go for that. Now, in this, we have earning per hour. What is the formula for earning per hour? Very simple. Total earning divided by time taken. Again, I'll repeat. Total earning divided by time taken. Now, in this, what is your total earning? 700. What is the time taken? 26. Answer is, he is getting around 27.92 per hour. The second person, 675 divided by 24. He is earning 28.13 per hour. Hope you are getting. The next person is Z. Around 625 divided by 20. He is getting around 31.25 per hour. These are the calculations we have now. In this, if they have not given row 1 plan, your answer must be what? If it is given just wholesale plan, it is wholesale premium plan. If they have given row 1 also, then wholesale plan as well as row 1 plan. Hope you understood. This is all about your wholesale. Before I go to row 1 plan, I'll go back to the slides. You can take screenshots. So this is your problem number 1. So these are the answer or solution for your problem number 1 under wholesale plan. So we have calculated wholesale plan, but here we are calculating per hour is how much. Yes. Now we are moving towards row 1 plan. What is row 1 plan? Now in this we will understand what is row 1 plan. Now total earning, like time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate. Along with that, time saved and standard time. Now, you know he has taken 26 hours and he will be paid 25 rupees per hour. 26 hours, 25 rupees per hour. Easy. What is the time saved? First person he has saved 4 hours. How come you get this? I'll show you. We have done, these are the calculation. First person has saved 4 hours, second person has saved 6 hours, and the last person he has saved 10 hours. Now, as per that, 4 divided by what is standard time? 30 hours is the standard time. So if you divide by this, your answer will be 736.67. Go one by one. Just don't look at the problem. Please work out at home. As soon as I complete my classes, your work is to work out the same problem at your home, so that if you work out once, you will understand better. Now, if you go for the second one, Y. Under Y, 24 hours he has worked. Per hour he will be paid 25. 24 multiplied with 25. So how much it is? 6 divided by 30. Now, we'll go for 6 divided by 30 into 600 plus 600. Your answer is 720. Hope you understood. Now, this is all about your row 1 plan, and we have calculated for X and we have calculated for Y. Similarly, we'll go for Z also. So now we come for the Z. For the Z, what happens in this? He has taken 20 hours and he's paid what? 25 rupees per hour. Now, similarly, 20 and 25. So, how much we will get? 20 multiplied with 25, you will get 500. Similarly, 20 multiplied with 25, you will get 500. Now, 10 by 30, your answer will be 666.67. These are the answer under row 1 plan for Z. Now, I'll go back to your slide. See, X, he has received 736, Y has received 720, and Z is getting 666. Now, we have calculated row 1 plan, but we have not calculated per hour. Whatever answer we got, like 736, 720, and 666, all per day. We don't have per hour. How to calculate? Simple. Your earning per hour, total earning is equal divided by time taken. Now, total earning 736, 720, 666. Now, what is the per number of hours they have taken? 26, 24 and 20 hours. Now, divide, you will get 28 rupees, 30 as well as 33.33. These are the information we have with us. Now, I'll go back to all these slides so that you can take screenshot. So, this is your row 1 plan. The answer part, first one. This is the answer part for Z. So, this is the earning per hour for all three, X, Y as well as Z. So, this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what we done in today's session. In the previous session, we went with all theory part, and today's session, we done with all the practical things. So, this is all about your labor. Nothing to worry. We'll have another 2 or 3 more sessions for your labor topic. If we have small adjustment in the labor, we will cover it up in the coming sessions. Thank you.